pro PC building tip for you.
So if you're building on a motherboard that has large VRM heat sinks and you don't have a lot of room to the 8-pin EPS or CPU power, what I like to do is actually just go ahead and put on my cable extensions before I actually put it into the PC case.
Now it's going to help you out so that you don't have to get your big fingers in a little case or something like that. You get everything done. You can also do this with just the modular cables for the PSU. And if you don't have it, you can actually just set your motherboard in the case and then plug in your non-modular power supply cables into it as well before you fully seat the motherboard into the case. So hopefully that helps, guys.